What's up guys, how are you doing? If you see what I'm watching here, like, it's so crazy. Okay, I came out to pick up the kids with my husband and he just went to get something quickly, and I'm literally sitting down in the car waiting, and there's this lady, two ladies actually. I don't know if you can see behind me, this is an uncompleted building being built. It's a market. There are market stalls that are being built. Let me see if I'll be able to show you guys the lady. I don't know if you can see someone on top of there. Do you know what that woman is doing? There were two that climbed up. So there were two people that climbed up. She's actually blocking one of the other women, and that other woman bent down and is literally easing herself. Like, I don't know for how long she's been bending down. It means it's poo-poo. Like, it's crazy. How can you go into an uncompleted stall and go and be pooping? Madness. Things they happen. So I'm back from my outing where I went to pick up something, and this is what I got. This is a breast pump. So I just feel like since I gave birth, I can't do anything with myself because baby has to be literally attached to me because she's feeding like every second. So I had a breast pump. I'm gonna show you guys, and I used that for my first two babies, but somehow I couldn't find a very important part of it. It's called the diaphragm. I ordered it, and the size that came was actually big. I couldn't fit, so I had to get another one. So this is what it looks like. I just finished washing them. I was charging this. This is the head, and these are the pieces. I just washed this, so I'm about to test it out and pump out some milk for baby. So this is my former one. This is the former one. It was a gift from my Ada. This is the part that was missing, the diaphragm. This came, but it's too big, so it doesn't fit. It even came in two pieces, but none of them fits.
Wait, is this when we were in ShopRite or Magic Land? Are we in ShopRite or Magic Land? Hello guys, we're watching Mommy's Tanya, and I really love it. We were in ShopRite, but I like all her Tanya. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hug, hug, hug.